Right, this is an ankle strap in to protect ATFL, which is the ligament on the outside of the ankle. First thing you do is put 2 anchoring points around the top. Make sure they're not too tight because you don't want to damage the Achilles tendon. And what you do is you get the patient or player to move their foot into the area that was damaged. So in this case it's going to be twisting the foot outwards and upwards. And then from the inside you actually lock on, bring the tape around under the ankle, keep the tension on, and then push in. Make sure the player doesn't move his foot as this is happening, and then you lock that into position with another anchor tape around the top. And you go down again. This time you overlap by a third as you go round. Bring it back around the ankle, up to the other side, lock on, another piece of tape going round, making sure that you don't damage onto the Achilles tendon again, otherwise you'll end up with a Achilles tendonitis, tendinopathy, or tendinosis, whichever fucking term you want to use. Then we're putting an anchor on which just goes around the ankle. That isn't essential. And then the third piece goes around now, back up again, lock it on. We're using 38mm tape, 3.8cm zinc oxide, which is non-elastic. Elastic tape is not really a lot of good for doing this because it stretches and doesn't protect the ligament. Again, there's another tip with this: you get the player, patient, or whatever term you want to use, to actually shade the area under the tape to start off with. You get a better adhesion of the tape rather than going over hair, which is pretty painful when you take it off as well. And then you just finish off with it neat, tidy, bring it around, cover up any gaps, lock in, and you're done. And when you're putting this on, it needs to go on about 45 minutes or no more than 45 minutes before kick-off, because most of the research shows that taping slackens off significantly after about that period of time. So there's no good fucking taping up, strapping up. I'll just come back down and have a look and you can see what's what. So basically what we've done are 3 anchor points around here. Tape goes down, around the ankle, back up, into that point there, lock back in again, and just repeat that times 3. Thank you for coming.